Hi everybody, my name is Caitlin Callahan, and this is my presentation on children's health and safety. My first slide is regarding SpongeBob Goes to the Doctor. Now a summary of this book is taken off of the back of the book, and it states SpongeBob SquarePants has come down with a bad case of the studs, and he's afraid to go to the doctor. But when being sick means having to miss a day of work at the Krusty Krab, SpongeBob must face his fear. Now, my objective is students would be able to describe why it is important to go to the doctor. And the classroom activity would be to have a puppet show discussing the importance of going to the doctor when sick. Now, we would also watch this video after we do our own puppet show. This is a 6-minute video. I'm going to fast forward a little bit so we can see what she's doing. So as you can see, she's discussing these different doctors, animals, discussing going to the doctors. As you can see, she is doing a good job of discussing the doctor and where it is and why they are going to the doctor. So, and this is my citation. The next slide discusses my second children's health book, which is titled Breathe Like a Bear. And this book, Breathe Like a Bear, is a beautifully illustrated collection of mindfulness exercises designed to teach kids techniques for managing their bodies, breath, and emotions. So there are 30 simple short breathing practices and movements in here that can be performed anytime and anywhere. So I've actually have this book in my own collection, and I'm able to still use these even though I am not a child. I find that these are really simple and easy. Sometimes much larger and bigger mindfulness exercises can seem daunting, so it's easier when you have pictures in front of you and in simplicity and simple words. So my objective is students will demonstrate mindfulness practices. So my classroom activity is hands-on, so I will lead students in the hot chocolate mindfulness activity that's located inside the book. And my citation is listed below. My third slide discusses children's safety. So now we're moving on to children's safety. My book title is Oscar and the Bird, a book about electricity. And again, the summary is taken off the back of this book. So it says, perhaps like your child, Oscar the kitten has a lot of questions about how things work. Luckily, Bird knows the answers. This story, complete with charming illustrations, teaches kids that electricity can be dangerous and that we must be careful around wires, batteries, and sockets. These tales of cautions will inspire a healthy curiosity about science. So my objective is that students will show all of the electricity sockets in our classroom. And my classroom activity is that we will watch, sing, and recite the electricity safety song. So I'm going to go ahead and play this. 1 minute and 58 seconds. So as we can see, this video displays what can happen with electricity and why we need to be careful around it. Okay, and my last slide before the citations is again about children's safety, and the book is titled Be Careful and Stay Safe. So this book is a great introduction to safety for any child starting school. It does the job of teaching how to avoid potentially dangerous situations, use things properly, ask for help, and follow directions without scaring your little one. So my objective would be students will show the proper way to walk across the street. And my classroom activity would be to listen to the crossing guard, Miss Yolanda, talk about her job and why it is so important to listen to her while crossing the street. And again, my citation is below, and my last slide is my works cited page. So again, this is my PowerPoint discussing children's health and safety.